Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we will show you one of our hard-selling valve assembly for you. And now let's check more details for you. And firstly, I will show you the outside packages of VCI anti-rust backlight. And here this is the product label. And the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ00339. Actually, the logo label packages all the details. We support a customized service. And inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the translation. Now let's check the inside. 1 layers of the oil paper to wrap it up, and each product 6 months warranty time. So you got the quality guaranteed. Let's take a look for this one. This valve assembly, the applicable injector number is 044512017, and the applicable for vehicle car is 4 and 14. This is the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install this kind of valve assembly, first step I suggest you to make sure the valve cap in the right position. And secondly, make sure the valve rod can be moved smooth off the injector body. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. And here we wish you have a good day. Bye.